Good evening, once more. So we're doing a few videos recently about weight loss. I think it's really important and being healthy. Run an online business website, so it's important to stay that way. So here is Puravive and its weight loss support. So obviously these products go, it's not just you buy it and then that's it. It's really have to exercise and eat right as well, but can certainly put you in the right direction. So just review this one. It's got quite a high search rate and orders. So it's quite a good one. So it's just a wee bit about the business, and it's basically you can read it for yourself once. Dissect it. It's just basically on. It's not a lot to it anyway. It's on belly fat and how it's not your fault. It's kind of true that have a beer like burger. If these things didn't taste well, we wouldn't have them. So that's probably what they would teach as well. And then here's just the ingredients, what's in it. There's quite a lot of stuff out in the wild. Obviously, careful what you pick. You need to know what you're doing and how to cook it. But it's stuff that you can grow. I've probably only ever heard of holy basil. Reduces stress, supports brain power, and then there's all these other ones which I've never ever heard of. So they're the experts in producing this stuff together. So it's not just a pill; they've made it from natural stuff. And this is just like any business that you have or any product. It's the questions people have asked, and then you can order. Now it's one bottle, 30-day supply is $59. Next six bottles, you're getting a discount. Like most of these physical products you can buy, and then it tells you that that lasts for 4 months, and that lasts for 3 months, or 1 month. So it's better. You're kind of recommending that the middle one, and it's 100% satis satisfaction satisfied 180 day. So it's even out with the ClickBank who do 2 months, so you're getting it's hosted on ClickBank. With them, you're even getting more, which is usually the other way around. So you can send them after 2 months, but even with them directly, it's four months. And then it's quite simple, and that's it really. So if you'd like this product, go ahead and purchase it. And if it gives you energy, maybe you could start an online business. We've got something really special for you. So take a look in the description, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.